the EFF?
Chair, I don't think what you're proposing is correct. But firstly, you must all agree that the EFF gave you a superior logic on this matter, and the opinions are back. And because they are not aligned with what you are thinking, it is irrational to now want to suggest a different process because which Parliament came with doesn't agree with what we were initially proposing. We've asked for an opinion because we couldn't agree, and those who disagreed with some of you, the opinion came back agreeing with them, which means the view that was expressed and find its expression in the legal opinion is the one that must reign supreme. If we're going to come here with partisan views that as long as the party says this, and even if there is different facts and logic being presented before us, we still want to say party this, party that. More than being members of the party, and that's what Judge Mogoeng, Chief Justice Mogoeng said, that you have taken an oath to be a member of Parliament, and that oath is the one that must bind you. So let us be binded by the opinion of Parliament and not our partisan positions. We have expressed our partisan positions. Now we've got opinions which are not far apart. What makes it so difficult to say, okay, we accept, we move forward? And if there are issues in future, we can debate them. But on this one, the matters are clear. And that's what you are saying, Chair. Let's be guided by the opinion as we proceed on these matters. And then after people have internalized and familiarized themselves with these opinions, perhaps if they want to raise an issue in the future, we can entertain that. No one disagrees with that. But as a matter of fact, let's accept the opinion and proceed as such. Thanks, Chair.
Yeah, you agree with what I'm saying, Honorable Malem?
No, Chair, when I argue, I'm not arguing with you. I'm arguing with the fellow members who want to suggest, like, because of the party position, they can't move. And what I'm saying is, it doesn't work like that. When the facts are being presented, even if my party position suggests something else, I should now remember my oath of office, that more than a party, I've taken an oath to serve the people of South Africa, and the facts suggest that we proceed in this way. There's nothing I can do if the party disagree. Thanks.
And you also agree that we must allow members to go and study this for understanding?
Well, that's your diplomatic way of getting out of it. But otherwise, as long as you're not rejecting the opinion, I'm happy. Let's go.
No, look, we agree that let's live with what Parliament has given us.